Good morning, students. Today we can start new chapter number 9, areas of parallelograms and triangles. So, areas of parallelogram we will learn later. First, in first exercise, you are going to learn about same base. That means, if you are seeing this picture, here it is trapezium, correct? A, B, C, D. And you can see one parallelogram here, D, E, C, means D, E, F, C. This is one parallelogram, this is one trapezium. If you are checking this both figures have a common side here, correct? That is called its base. So we can say that both figures have the same base DC. Like that, here also same figure. This is one trapezium, this is one parallelogram. So we can say that DC is the same base. And vertices A and B, these two vertices opposite to the base BC, correct? This vertices A and B is opposite to this side DC, and this is base. And vertices E and F opposite to the base D. Next, parallelogram, another vertices E and F also opposite to the base DC. So AB is opposite to base, EF is also opposite to base, correct? Lie on line AF parallel to DC. So we can say that this line AF is parallel to DC. Okay. So we can say trapezium ABCD and parallelogram EFCD are on the same base DC and between the same parallel lines AF and DC. This trapezium and parallelogram are on same base DC and the lines AF and DC are two parallel lines. These two figures coincides with these parallel lines, correct? So exercise 9.1, actually you can do it yourself. It is very easy exercise. Which of the following figures lie on the same base? We have to find out from the given figure which are the figures have same base and between the same parallel lines. After that we should check if the figures are in between two parallel lines or not. Okay, in such a case write the common base and two parallels. If it has common base and two parallel lines, then we have to write the base name and parallel lines also. If you are checking here, one, you can see this is one trapezium, another one is triangle, correct? And these two are the parallel lines, AB and CD are the parallel lines, because in on the line AB we will get 3 points, and on the line DC this is the common base. So this is the common base DC, and if you are checking this line, the points of the trapezium and triangle, the other points which are not D and C, all the other points coincide this AB line, correct? So we can write here base is DC and parallel lines are DC and this AB. Okay, if you are checking here, this is one parallelogram, this is one trapezium, and the common base is there SR. But if you are checking the parallel lines, you cannot say the parallel lines. PQ, M and SR actually it is parallel, but SR is the common point, and we cannot say that all the other 4 points are not on the same line. So we cannot include this figure. Okay, if you are taking this one, if I am just reversing the figure like this, one clockwise direction rotation. Okay, so we will get this as base QR. One triangle is here and one parallelogram is here. So it has the common side, common base QR. So the parallel lines, we can say that PS and this QR are the parallel lines. If you are taking this figure, you can see here, actually this is parallel to this one. AD is parallel to BC, but we cannot say the common base, correct? Because the triangle has the base QP and this parallelogram have the base BC. Both bases are different, so we cannot include this figure. Next one, Same method you can use here. If you are taking, you will get AD is common base of both figures ABCD and ABQD. You will get AD is the common base. But if you are taking the parallel lines, you will not get the proper answer. Means if you are rotating it is clockwise direction, you will get this is also a common base. Okay, but if you are taking this one, QBQ is the common base of ABQD and reverse process. AD is the common base of these two figures ABQD and again APCD. So AD is the common base and we can say that these two figures are on the two parallel lines. The parallel lines are AD and this BQ. AD and BQ are the two parallel lines, correct? So if you are checking this, you will not get the answer because in this figure you cannot find out the common base. So the correct answers are first, third and fifth figures. Then write down their base and parallel lines. Okay. So in the exercise 9.1, only one question is there. Complete it.